honey. Girl, am I the plug or what? This makeup tutorial look is going to be on my channel as well, so watch it after this video. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm going to be plugging you guys on the best sports bras for big tatas. I was definitely inspired to do this video because I am trying to actually live a healthier lifestyle, and part of that is my workout routine. So when I go to gym and everything like that, the biggest thing that put me off gym was literally my boobs. I can't do anything without them hurting my chest. I can't do any cardio, I can't jump, little things. Like I can do the smallest move and my boobs would just over exaggerate every single time. And the sports bras that I wore didn't help, even though I would wear an actual bra and then a sports bra and then maybe another one on top. So I wanted to do a social experiment and find out what companies literally sell the best bras for big butts. Don't waste time going to Nike, Puma, Adidas and Primark. Let's just be honest, with sports bras we've got to give up and stop buying the cheap ones and actually buy sports bras that fit like bras. Those are the best sports bras for you if you have big butts, because they will actually keep you in place and they will give you the support that you need. So I ordered 5 different bras from different companies, and I'm literally just going to do a try on haul and test it out. I'm going to jog on the spot, do all of that, and you guys be the judge as well. I will tell you guys which one is my favorite. There's one particular one that I absolutely love, and then there's one that I dislike. So guys, the first bra that I tried on was from Panache. Look at it, perfect, literally like a bra. This is why I'm so excited to show you guys, because I never thought to actually buy sports bras that look like bras to give me the support. I always bought stupid ones and they just never work. So with the sports bra, there's underwire lining here, obviously to hold you up, otherwise your boobs would slip down the bottom when you sweat. The material used along the bottom and the sides is that breathable fabric, so that's fantastic. If you've got big tatas, you definitely sweat under. In this bra I actually got a 34J. So my sister, I'm a 32K in normal bras, but my sister size is a 34 double J. So if there's no K cups, I could go for a 34 double J. There was no double J when I checked at the time, so I just got a 34J and it worked really well. With these sports bras, because they go up so high under the arm, there's no side boob spillage, so your boobs will not be coming out the sides. If they are, then the bra is probably too small for you. There's 3 hooks on this bra, so that's fine. That's pretty much the average if you've got like big boobs, so it's quite thick. However, on the inside it's got the slightest padding. Is very thin. Personally I don't mind it, but some of you guys would want to avoid the padding completely. And I ripped off the tag, but what I am going to do, I'm going to link all the bras in order down below for you guys so that you can click on it and check it out. And sorry, the reason as to why I actually got the J as opposed to a 34J as opposed to double J is because with this range from Panache it only goes from a B to a J cup, which I still find fantastic. The next one that I picked out is this lovely navy grey and yellow one. I love the colors on it, that's why I grabbed it. I didn't want to get all black, I feel like that's just boring. This one has 4 different hooks, which is fantastic. It's quite thick as well, so you know the band is going to give you that support, so it's like it's not going anywhere. I love the color on it. This one has absolutely no padding whatsoever. It's like, you can tell it's just the fabric, there's just no padding. At the front it's got the breathable material and it's quite thin anyway, so I'm assuming that, you know, you will get a bit of fresh air in the tatas. When you work out, it won't like trap it won't get smelly and all of that. It's got the wire in the bra, which is great. Again, like a normal bra, the straps are adjustable, which is great. This bra is from Bravissimo. Bravissimo goes up quite big in sizes. In this sports bra, I think they went up to a double J, hence why I got double J, and I got a 34 double J, so I actually got my sister size and it fit perfectly. Also, there was no pressure when I jogged. Usually I can feel the weight, I can feel when my boobs go down, like it hurts, like it really slams down and it hurts my chest when I run at the gym, hence why I avoid going to the gym sometimes. But obviously with these, they go up so high and they've got underwire support, so it just kind of keeps it in place. This bra was £34, and I'm also going to link it down below for you guys. So up next guys is this sports bra that I got from Fig Leaves. So Fig Leaves are a company that stock different brands, which is perfect. I feel like with Fig Leaves, this is the one-stop shop for all your bras and lingerie, which is fab. So I grabbed this Freya bra. So far all the bras apart from the first one had no padding. This bra also has 4 different hooks, so the band is quite thick. I was able to jog in it. Again, no side boob spillage. They didn't come out the front. It gave me the support that I needed. I managed to get my sister size in this, so I got it in a 34 double J. The next bra was my favorite. I love this Elomi bra. I actually got it from Bra Stop, and it's amazing. Like, actually I was very shocked. I'm not gonna lie to you, like, I'm very lost for words. Okay, so first of all, there are 4 hooks. There's definitely underwire support. In this bra, there's no padding, but the material feels so different in comparison to the rest. The rest feel like swimwear material, like that kind of slippery like feeling. This one, it's actually, it doesn't stretch. I loved it because I really felt like it would be shock proof. It will stop my boobs from moving. The bra strap itself is very techy and I love it. When you adjust the bra, you bring this down and you place it above the bra. So what this does, it keeps it in place and it prevents it from getting loose. At the back, it's mesh, so definitely breathable. And this one was the only one that I got in my actual bra size, which is a 32K, but I actually got it in a 34K just because the waist, I didn't want it to rub on my waist. I didn't want it to rub. I didn't want it to do anything whatsoever, just because I know I'd be super active, a lot more active than I would be just, you know, casually walking around or whatever. When I actually put it on, guys, it went up. So with the rest, sometimes you can see like the top of my boobs. With this one, you can barely see the top of my boobs. The middle bit lied almost perfectly down on my chest. I have a lot of volume, a lot of projection in the middle of my boobs, not on the sides, more in the middle, so my boobs come forward. It's pointy. It was very pointy. It was very pyong pyong, but it was fantastic. So the last bra is actually a Royce sports bra, but I actually got it from Fig Leaves. It says maximum support for all sports. Look at the bra. This bra is exactly like all the sports bra from all the random other stores for smaller boobs. There's no underwire. Where is the underwire, sister? Look. I can literally ball it up in my fist and throw it. Like, where is the where is the cup? There is actually no cup. There's no underwire. There's almost no structure to the bra. How do you ever expect big bust to fit in there and to have support and to actually like absorb all the shock from running and jumping? It's actually impossible. This one, I will list it down below again so you guys can check out the price. If your boobs do not sag and they hold up very well and they're not as big, this bra would be perfect for you. But my boobs are heavy, so I need the wire to keep them up. If there's no wire, they're just gonna keep going down and down and down and down, and I don't need that. At the back, there are 3 hooks. This one even fit really uncomfortably. I felt very tight in this one because of the way it is as well. It's not really shaped like a bra, so it doesn't fit comfortably. It was really uncomfortable, and the material is like cotton almost. So I can imagine if I'm sweating, this is going to stick to my body and make me feel so uncomfortable. It's just going to feel wet. And then I can imagine it smelling quick as well because there's no breathable fabric. So it's just going to smell. And it's just horrible. Like, it's just horrible. It's not one that I would recommend personally at all. If you've got big bust, it shouldn't be your go-to. And then in the center of it, it says impact free. So while shopping on the Bra Stop website, I literally went to check out. They said, oh look, do you want to add this to your basket, blah 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 blah. Usually I ignore it, but this, I added it to my basket, and let me tell you what it is. So guys, this is a laundry bag for your bras and underwear. When you put it in the machine, it starts to rip. The hooks at the back start to come out because it gets hooked onto the like little holes in the machine and upper clothing, and then that's how you know, your wire starts to poke under your arm, which is not good because apparently that can cause breast cancer. So I thought these laundry bags from Bra Stop was actually a good idea. They were like £3.50. Now I added 3 in my basket because I actually want to give away 2. comment down below something, sis. I don't know, I'm just gonna pick at random. If you want it, just comment, and yeah, comment, and then yeah, comment your Instagram name, okay? Comment down below your Instagram name, and if you haven't got Instagram, comment down below your email address, and I will email you personally asking for your shipping address, or I will DM you on Instagram asking for your shipping address, and I will get it sent out to you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really pray that it helps some, if not all of you guys, to be fair, because I know that it's not easy, it's really hard. So if I can help you guys just by, you know, like allocating you some bras and just advising you, then that would make me really happy. I hope you guys find these videos useful. I really do. This makeup tutorial look is going to be on my channel as well, so watch it after this video. And I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, tell me which one's your favorite. Check out the bras, I'm gonna have them linked. And yeah, don't forget to follow the Big Tata committee. Let's connect, guys, and love you. See you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.